We need to start off reviewing distributive law. If you have two terms inside a set of brackets being multiplied by a number outside those brackets, so for example 2 times by x plus 3 in brackets, what do? You use distributive law to remove or expand those brackets. So this is what could go on your cheat sheet. This is the tool. If you have a number, we're calling it a on the outside of that brackets, you're trying to multiply it out with everything inside of it. So the result is going to be a times by b plus a times by c. Once you've done that, you need to collect like terms to fully simplify. Get the box down. I'll show 2 examples in purple, and then that's the end of the first lesson. I think there'll be plenty of time the rest of this double for me to go through your tests individually. We're going to use this sort of easier maths to hammer the main mistakes that you guys did was not what I taught you. The main mistakes that you guys did was freaking negative numbers. Example A, I'm going to do laboriously. I'm going to do overly too many steps, okay? In example A, which one of those is A in the toolbox? The 2 on the outside, so I'm doing this overly laboriously. What's B in that? The 3x. What's C? Negative. Good. I like that. Because some people would just say 1. No, it's not. Okay? Because this is plus C. What would it have to be? What do you have to be doing to make it -1? C would have to be -1 to get rid of that plus. So your answer is going to be a times by b, which is 2 times by 3x, plus 2 times by -1. And so 2 times by 3x is 6x. 2 times by a positive number times by a negative number gives you what kind of number? Negative. So if you're laboriously doing it, you're going to write plus -2. I can't do 2 operations in a row. So what does a plus and a minus become in your maths? Sorry? Negative. Yes. So that's laboriously. That's writing out the toolbox. You don't have to do it that way. You can do it in your head. Ultimately, the way I'd like you to get up to doing it by practicing is the way I see it in my head is I need to times this by this, and I need to times that by that. What's -3x times by x? Take your time. No idea? What's -3x times by x? Yes?
Is it -3x squared?
Good. And what's -3x times by +2? -6x. Well done. I'll give you some time to get that down. The people that came in later, well, you just get the examples down.